So hey guys, in this video I will show you how to place a toy teddy bear on a sofa in Photoshop. Go to file and place a teddy bear image, resize and set on a sofa right position. Select object selection tool, click on teddy bear, Ctrl J for copy this teddy bear selection teddy bear. Now select the background teddy bear image and go to blending option and select multiply. Select first layer and now create a new layer. Right click and create a clipping mask. Select a brush and this opacity 20. Select color black. Now select a background, create a new layer, make a little shadow of teddy bear. Now select all 4 layers, press Ctrl T and adjust the teddy bear. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and support us for more video, and thanks for watching.